This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the cover and take apart your Xbox Series X or S controller. So the first thing you want to do is flip it around, remove this cover, and there's going to be a hidden little screw under there. You just have to break this paper, and I'm going to be using a T8 security screwdriver to remove this, just like this. So let's get in there, and then put this to the side. If you got like a bowl or something to put this in so it doesn't roll around on the carpet or anything like that, it's going to be very difficult to find. Then I'm going to be using a plastic piece to remove the side covers. And I'm going to start from the top and then work my way down. It seems like it's easier if I grip it from this angle. Okay, yep. And then you're going to hear that break apart. And then you can remove it. Let's do the other side. So I have this little kit. It's called Techman. You can get the security screwdrivers in this plastic piece. You don't want to use a screwdriver to rip this apart because it's going to tear and break this plastic area. So you want to use plastic on plastic at least. Anything denser will scrape it and break it. So let's just get this apart here. I usually just start from the top, work my way down. And I'm going to say, one of these sides are usually a lot difficult, more difficult than the other for some reason. And that just fell on the floor. That's fine. Now we got 4 screws. You got one here, 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 here. Then you got to remove. So you got 5 total. And when you remove this now, you're going to notice the back plate is just going to fall off on you. So make sure you're gripping it with your fingers or your hand on the back side. And once again, put these screws in a safe spot so they don't roll off the table on you. And then you won't be able to put these back in later. So we got these right there. So we got 2 more. And make sure you're gripping it now on the back side because you're going to feel it loosen up with your hands. And here's the last one. And this should come off. And when you're placing back on the cover, there's a specific way that you want to put it back on. You can see with the batteries here, the metallic side needs to go on the inside. Otherwise, you're going to put your controller together and be like, I can't put my batteries back in. So this will just come off. These will pop off too. And then you can remove the cover here. And this is going to be a little bit different than the Xbox One controller because you have 2 wires to put back in. And there's going to be 4 screws to remove it even further. So you got to remove here, 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 and here, plus these 2 wires. And then you can completely flip it around and you can gain access to here. Now these little wires, they're going to be super difficult to get back in. I usually just use my thumb to position it, then push down with my fingernail on top of it. I usually can get those back on the little golden circle. So you got these screws, these 2 wires, remove that, and then you can flip it back around and you should be good to go. Just watch out for these cables on the side here. And this little piece right here is going to probably fall out on you. This is for the audio jack of the headset. Just look at how it goes right here. The flat side will be facing down. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.